Ms. Natalie, take off.
Thank you. My name is Natalie Flores. I live at 1056 Holland Ridge Way here in Lebanon. Good evening, commissioners, mayor. Thank you so much for the opportunity to speak tonight. I'm here to respectfully urge you to take a strong, united stance against bringing an ICE detention facility to Wilson County. Recent reporting from the Tennessee Lookout made it clear that U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement has plans to open a second immigrant detention center in Tennessee here in Lebanon. The article also made something else clear. The leaders in this room were not meaningfully consulted before this announcement. That should concern all of us, not just the lack of transparency, which I do assume is to minimize potential community outrage until it's too late, and that's concerning enough on its own, but it also is an insult to our community that the federal government does not respect this community or our local leadership enough to involve us in such a significant decision. You as leaders are being asked implicitly to accept broad promises of economic benefit. We're hearing about projections of job growth and positive financial impact, but these claims are vague, they are generalized, and they're not accompanied by detailed local analysis. Economic development should strengthen a community's future. It should align with who we are and what we want to become. A detention facility does not do that. So beyond these uncertain economic projections, there are serious lasting implications: increased strain on local infrastructure and emergency services, potential impacts on healthcare systems and transportation, the reputational consequences for this growing family-oriented community, and the moral weight of becoming known as a site of immigrant detention. Across the country, existing detention facilities have faced documented reports of inadequate medical care, overcrowding, and prolonged confinement of people without criminal convictions, raising serious humanitarian and accountability concerns. Even if this facility is federally operated, the ripple effects will not be federal. They will be local, and it will belong to us. The article makes clear that this body has not yet had the opportunity to weigh in on this. So what I'm asking for you tonight is to do more than weigh in. I'm asking you to stand, please, together, clearly and publicly, and say that this is not a development we want for our community. Not because of politics, not because of rhetoric, but because Wilson County has built a reputation as a community focused on sustainable growth and quality of life. And we have the responsibility to protect the future that we are intentionally shaping here. If we don't draw that line now, we're not going to get another chance. Thank you.
Mr. Robert Moxley.